Citizen Television, the daughter of the late Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga, Winnie Odinga, was in a position of agitating and talking about the political structure on how ODM is running. She was in a position of saying that there might be an DNC meeting that will be in a position of making sure that UDA and ODM might form a coalition. She was also in a position of representing, saying that ultimately it is now 3 months down the line since his father Raila Odinga passed away. He was in a position of saying that he remembered his father as a mentor, a great pillar, a teacher, a man who stood firmly, making sure that he fight tirelessly for this country. Raila Odinga will be remembered by many. Raila Odinga was a father who stood firm, making sure that he sat with young men and women to make sure that the 2010 Constitution was promulgated. Many say that his legacy will live to be announced by many. Raila Odinga joined into politics with a different demeanor. She was in a position of describing his father as a person who was in a position of listening to each and every person. We have mentored many political leaders, including James Orengo and other leaders. When asked about Secretary General Edwin Sifuna, he agitated by saying Edwin Sifuna speak for the party. When asked about Junet Mohammed, she was in a position of saying that the party dismantled the bad leadership and saying that this is the high time for leaders to unite and embrace unity. She was in a position of describing President William Ruto as a pillar of peace, describing President Ruto as a great man, a man who stood firmly by his family, by making sure that he gave his father a state figure. He accorded his father under a state figure. He was in a position of saying that his uncle, Oburu Odinga, who is acting party leader in ODM, is trying his level best to make sure that the ODM party, it doesn't dismantle, but perhaps the party stand firmly. She was in a position of saying that he congratulated President William Ruto for nominating or appointing his mother to be the chair of the UNEP. Mama Ida Odinga was in a position for the first time declining the appointment, but a few days later she was in a position of approving the appointment. And now all eyes are in Winnie Odinga, who is the member of parliament of Ian. And many say that maybe going to the future, the Winnie Odinga might get a big docket in the government. When asked about if she might be in a position of getting the docket of the cabinet secretary, she was in a position of saying he fit into the docket. And now reporting from Nairobi TV, my name is Edwin Kagia.